What's up, guys? Welcome to another episode of CCT. So today, this is day 6, I think, of this Leetcode 30-day challenge. Just wanted to record myself again as I go through this problem. I feel like I've seen something like this before, but I definitely don't remember it off the top of my head, so we'll see how I do. So, grouping anagrams is the idea. Okay, I feel like in this case, the input-output example pretty much tells the story. So it's kind of grouping all the letters, like this uses letters EAT. This also uses letters EAT, and so does this. So we group them together. I don't think the order of your output does not matter, meaning that, yeah, the order of any of these or like the list itself don't matter. Okay. So I guess first idea is to turn these strings into sets so that the order doesn't matter. And then we can compare sets, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, I almost feel like so we should probably have a dictionary, and the key could be the set. Are sets hashable, actually? Let's look that up. Are sets hashable in Python? Oh, I just came up with something else in case they're not. Okay, they're not. So, another idea I had is what if we just sort them first? Yeah. So we sort them based on their letters, and then I know strings can be keys. Yeah, that sounds good. I mean, but sorting would take like n log n time. Okay, so if we did sort, let's call that m log m time, and we would have to do that for each of the n words. So then do that for each n word. Yeah, and then the hashing and inserting isn't really adding too much to the complexity. Okay, so the complexity would be n times m log m, and I guess we can suppose that this, and then assuming that n is much greater than m, I mean, I guess we'd have to look at the spec of the real problem, but I think we can assume that the complexity just then turns to something like O of n, dependent on the words. Yeah, I think that analysis is right, because if we create a dictionary and then we just keep appending stuff onto this list, should be good. Oh, I just learned something pretty interesting called a default dictionary Python, where you could initialize stuff with a list. That is not... Yes, this is it. Let's see if it has the collections default dictionary. Because what you can do is dictionary. Let's just call this result, and you can make a list in here. So that means that you don't have to check if it'll automatically initialize keys that aren't there with an empty list. So it saves us a lot of steps, and I think it makes it a lot more readable. So, what we can do is let's just go through word in the strings, and then sort word dot sort. I want the one that's actually sorts the list, not returns it. Yeah, I think this is it. Dot sort. Sorted actually returns it. And we don't need anything special. So after we sort it, then we can do res. Now this is where the default dictionary, if it works. I kind of want to see actually if it might need the collections thing. Okay, it got past it. I think they do import some things here. What's this saying? str has no attribute word. Oh, you can't. Oh, huh. Okay, let's just. Okay, I know what to do. I think list. Yeah, let's just do this. I don't care. Is that better? Nice. Okay. So this, you have to turn it to a list in order to sort it, I guess. Fine. But actually this should be the key. This is so annoying. But then I do want to do this dot join. I'm curious what this is. Doing things in increments. That's a good strategy if you're... Great. That's exactly what I wanted. Yep. So this is, I mean, this is like probably O of n. This is also O of m. O of m, and this is... So really, this part is now turning into something like this, which of course is still this part, so we can get rid of those. And which I would still argue is still something like O of n time, but whatever. So now the cool thing about the default dictionary thing is that we can do, could just put the key in and then we could append the word. Oh, you know what? We don't actually need this. Oh yeah, we don't need to join this. Never mind. Because this is just the key. Yeah, we can keep it being a key as list. I'm very sure lists are hashable. I mean, I could write a hashable algorithm for them. Okay. So then we can just return res, I think. Let's try that out. Oh, wait, res is a dictionary. Sorry. Oh my god, lists are unhashable? What? I can... Okay, let's put that back in there then. Fine. Okay, but I did forget, we don't want to return the dictionary. We want to return a list of lists. So I think values, if I'm not mistaken, is how you can do it. Sharing handling was another exception. Your built-in method object is not iterable. What object is not iterable? So it did get through. Yeah, it got through all of them. Is it talking about this? Right. Okay. It is talking about this. So let's go back to default dictionary Python. And how do you get just the values? I just want the values. Because that kind of just showed us the keys. Okay, so items can give us this. What about get the dictionary value in Python? What if I just want the values? I want a list of the values. Is that not what I did? I'm kind of just assuming it has the same interface. Okay, right. I think I just did values without it. I was just assuming that res had the same interface as, or default has the same interface as dict, so I was able to look up values like that. It looks good. Looks good. Order doesn't matter, so yep. Okay. So test case time, always important to make your own test cases. So would mine work with that? Yeah, I'm gonna say it probably would work, but it's always good to check this. Just make sure it's a robust thing. Yep, okay. Let's see. I mean, I guess I could put one thing like oh, I have another idea. Not that this would matter so much, but like, I mean, sometimes the way you implement it, you don't think errors would occur, or like these test cases wouldn't catch anything, but you know. So this is a test case where none of them have a matching pair, and they're all a bit lengthy. Yeah. Okay, I'm fine with this. Submit that. Nice. Curious where we stand. What? We're all the way over here. Oh, sweet, it tells you. Oh, they did use default dict here. Ah. Interesting. So sorted and then turned it into a tuple. Very cool. So this is just like shortening the time complexity here. But yeah, I agree. So I didn't think of actually. Oh, you could do sorted on. I see. You can do sorted on a word, but apparently a word isn't hashable. Like, I mean, let's run this. Oh. Okay, so sorted takes in a string. Okay, fine. That is weird. I mean, I feel like these hashing algorithms should be able to do it with a list, but whatever. Oh, maybe not because lists are mutable and they're afraid somebody's going to change it later. Okay, but let's see if this is faster. Let's see where we are now. Okay, what the heck? I used this. Goes to show you these are not very accurate. But I really do appreciate the list idea. Okay, let's just see what is over here at this 1%, the fastest. Okay. Oh, interesting. I mean, I actually don't believe this time complexity, but maybe they're trying to say that the actual dictionary, Python's core dictionary object, is slightly faster. Although I don't really know if I believe this. Whatever. We got the idea. All right, so that's all I have for you guys today. Yeah, so we got the problem and wasn't too bad. What level was this? I think this was easy, probably. Okay, see you guys next time. Bye.